komente ki sa le reme, ki sa li pa reme. Anyway, so ma di nou pa bliye abone, like, komente, pataje channel avec famille, zami pou nou agrandi famille. And pa bliye abone avec page channel nan sou IG ki se Nirva underscore Josh. Nirva underscore N underscore Josh underscore family. Et puis pas oublier suivez-moi tout sur Instagram qui c'est legacy underscore ni avec 4 Y better. So merci. Ça c'est le premier habillement. Regardez ça. Ça c'est le premier habillement dans le cadre. C'est un jeans, high waisted jeans avec un top. Je vais finir d'acheter parce que c'est une zone. So nous avec les gens. Ça c'est derrière. So mais je vais madame Sarah. Faut que je me commencer. Ah! Oh, ma pote soulier. Ah, top pack habitude. I have to bring a lot of shoes. Ma pote soulier. Sans soulier. But imagine comment tu as soulier dans le film.
Weird. Huh? Weird.
So on va finir d'acheter parce qu'à cause de ça, je juste acheter les premiers seulement.
Ok.
Oh, tous les deux, pour bailler pour passer. Yeah.
Yo, oui.
Ok ça?
Oui.
Pour ça, pour tous les deux? Oh, ça a mon 8 sur 10.
Yeah.
Why?
Parce que, like, see there, like, if the back was, like, kind of, like, clear or had, like, a cut, I feel like it would have been perfect.
Oh, is that chemise? Of course, she knows about my face. Ok, ça a de la bonne 8 sur 10 parce que c'est ça qui va mériter.
Oh my goodness.
What? No.
I like it, it's cute.
Thank you. Next. Really. Pour bien dire nous, pantalon sac sous moi, c'est pas avec. Maillot sac sous moi, c'est pas avec pantalon ça me mettre avec pantalon dans la Mezire dedans. Il est trop petit pour moi parce qu'il va faire monter, je me retirer. So, yeah, je vais le virer, ça. Oh, ça c'est un bodysuit. Par contre, je dis bodysuit encore, non? C'est parce que ça a détaché dans la fouque. Yeah, so, I don't know. But, okay, hold on. I was gonna wear this, but back on three, it was petit.
Oh, okay.
This is a 4, what the heck?
You're a 4?
No, the pants. I mean, I got 6 for 8.
Wow.
I thought it was like stretchy, but it's not. Yeah, so c'est avec pantalon ça nous va mesurer ça, but je ne sais pas, il va rentrer. Too bad.
I love the pants. So the pants, I definitely give it a 9. I don't know why I love pants like that. The top, I give like a 6.
Ok, ça va 9 sur 10 pour pantalon. Moi, pantalon, je 10 sur 10. Pour maillot, je vais 5. Parce que je ne vais pas me mettre maillot, comme si moi peut-être je vais mettre là-dedans. Je ne vais pas me mettre maillot bien rad pour se mettre là-dedans. Je vais mettre 5.
Yeah. So, altogether, 7.5 for the outfit. 7.5.
7.5? Okay.
Yeah. I really like the pants.
Thank you. It gives me like white vibe, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you. Ok guys, ça c'est... Quel numéro on va dire?
Third.
Yeah, 3e. Ça c'est un jumpsuit. Ou ka mettre la tennis, ou ka mettre avec un bel sandal dans pied, ou ka juste mettre dans le calan pour chill. But nous vraiment les mêmes. Madame Sarah, faut pas bon boule.
6.
6. Banm. Oh, ça va non? Di bon 6.
Right.
6 ou 10. Why? Ki son Banm nan nan?
I don't feel like it's something for you to go out with. It's something you just chill in the house with, cook with. Maybe wear Christmas Day.
Christmas Day?
Yeah, if you don't want to wear pajamas.
Oh. Mwen. Ba balon 10, but nan balon 7.
You only gave it one more than I did.
Yeah.
Well.
No, I feel like si mne mette la vek kon bagay nan piye, li ta paret pi bel ke pi ate.
No, I still want it. I can't wear it.
Okay. What? So weird. Mwen reme sa paske mwen wè kom si koule al avek koulem. E pi mwen reme mette stil de bagay sa yo. So mwen pere sa. What?
I give it a 7.
7? Why?
It's like, I don't like that print. And it's not you, I just don't like it in general. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of like outfits like that.
Oh. Juge lan di m kon sa, li bom 7. Ma plani, I like it. Mwen jen de bagay kon sa.
What shoes would you wear with it?
High heels.
Where would you wear it to? Like a
Go to the movie?
no, that's the free.
What?
I really dress up to go to the movies.
Oh no, honey. I dress up to go to the movie.
Nah, that's it.
Li paret bel sou model lan, but m pa remen sou mwen paske kom se mwen non ti jan tro gros, men sa se on mayo liye ba do ka mette to kon wob. But mwen mba fin remen li paske mwen non ti jan tro gros sou mwen. Di plus semblant dra. But it's really cute on the model, but I don't like it on me.
I feel like with the perfect shoes and like maybe another accessory, it could be very cute.
Hey, come on.
I give it a 7.
7?
Okay.
I will take it.
Because I feel like they could have done a little more.
Yeah. Let me say Melody. I don't like it on me. It's cute, but I just don't like it on me.
Like if they made it like shape a little more,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it would have been really cute. And maybe like if the back had a cutout.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How much is it, honey?
That's it.
I'm pausing so I can take a picture of it for my thumbnail.
Oh. My floor dirty. Sorry.
Well. So I don't know how I feel about it. M pon size ki to go mwen. Sa kon size 10 li, li so de kon 6 ou bon 8. But apon sa li pa telman to laj ni to seri. Sa m da bali 6 ou 10 paske ma men vlot sa l fe la. So yeah.
I like this.
You do?
Yeah. Put it on. Interesting. Put it on. I feel like with the right accessories and right shoes, it'll be really cute. Maybe like a top, like a bun, like a high bun. I give it an 8.
Hey, let's get it. Thank you. So I'm on me to this. You do this. You do this. Do this. I really like this one. Vraiment aimé ça parce que rouge, bien que rouge c'est ma couleur préférée, but moi mes couleur rouge ça sont moins. Et puis moi mes style red ça. So ça.
Oh, I like this.
I told you I was gonna leave the best for last.
Turn around. I like this. This is very Christmassy. I really like it.
I have a yellow one like that too. With